RVS 3.14 introduces new features and enhancements that make software verification more efficient. It's now easier than ever to select the tests you want to run in RappiTest. You can now change the order in which your tests run and run individual tests within your test files. New filtering and quick selection options make it easy to select the tests you want to run, for example by letting you quickly select all the new tests at the press of a button. Get started writing your RappiTest tests quickly. When generating template tests, you can now have RappiTest automatically generate test vectors to test boundary values for functions handling numeric inputs. You can now generate tests for both spreadsheets and RTS tests. RappiTest now lets you identify and run the optimal subset of tests to achieve the same coverage you achieved during a previous run. This lets you identify any new coverage gaps without needing to run your entire codebase. We've added a range of features to support the capture and analysis of multi-core performance metrics through RVS. You can now collect and view metrics from performance monitoring counters on multi-core hardware, supporting multi-core timing analysis. When viewing your results, you can filter by metrics and select a baseline against which to compare your results. Expanded qualification kits now make it easier than ever to qualify your use of RVS. A new set of HTML files in our qualification kits makes it easy to understand the qualification process and find the information you need. See these features and more in action by requesting a free trial of RVS today.